लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, जो पूरे चैप्टर है उसकी समरी, सिर्फ जो क्वेश्चन आपने अपने मन से बना के लिखा ना बेटा, व्हाट वाज द स्टेट ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी ऑन द ईव ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, ये है वो।
यस सर।
ओके, तो ये तब पॉसिबल है जब आप सारे सेक्टर्स कवर चुके हो, ये कवर कर चुके हो, उनकी समरी है थोड़ा थोड़ा। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आ सकता है 6 मार्कर तक। ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल, ब्रिटिशर्स transformed the Indian economy into a colonial, backward, semi-feudal, stagnant, एक और backward, depleted, amputated economy. Stagnant, depleted, semi-feudal. Semi-feudal वो relationship between the farmers and the zamindars. सिर्फ legal relationship थी. Farmers were not the true owners. एक एक करके. Colonial economy. In India, colonial exploitation is a long history spread over nearly 200 years. British rule resulted in huge drain of wealth. Huge drain of wealth from India. In order to facilitate growing British industry with the supply of raw materials from India. Second, they also encouraged commercialization of Indian agriculture to transform Indian economy into a British colony. The impact of the British colonial policy was deep on India even at the time of independence. So India was a colonial economy, semi-feudal economy. By the close of the British period, there were two aspects of the Indian economy. Introduction of the feudal system. क्या होता है feudal system? The land settlement system gave birth to a feudal relationships between the landlord tenant. Feudal legal relationship. कोई वो थोड़ी ना है कि भाई भाई, वो एक होता है blood relationship. Feudal relationship. The landlords used to charge very high rate of lagan and were very cruel to the cultivators. Introduction of the capitalist system. The establishment of modern industries led to creation of two classes, capitalist and laborers. या तो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा अमीर या बहुत ज़्यादा गरीब. So India inherited the features of both feudal and a capitalist system in the Indian economy. Stagnant, important word है stagnant. A stagnant economy is one which is growing at a very low rate. On the eve of independence, Indian economy was stagnant as country's growth aggregate real output, growth rate of aggregate real output was less than 2%, or per capita output growth was only 0.5%. India was a backward economy. At the end of the British rule, Indian economy was backward and underdeveloped. The main reasons for backwardness of the Indian economy were low level of productivity, low per capita income, traditional methods of agriculture, high birth and death rate, mass illiteracy. Summary है ये पूरे चैप्टर की. Fifth point, depleted or depreciated economy. At the time of independence, Indian economy was a depleted economy. A depleted economy refers to an economy where no arrangements have been made to replace the physical assets depreciated due to excessive use. Depleted economy. कह रहे resources exhaust करे जा रहे हो, कोई भी स्टेप नहीं लिया जा रहा उनकी रिप्लेनिशमेंट के लिए, उनको रीस्टोर करने के लिए, तो फिर तो खत्म ही हो जाएगा ना एक टाइम पे. वही हो रहा था. During the Second World War, Indian industries had to work beyond their capacities to meet the increased demand of plant, machinery, equipment. Beyond capacity operate कर रहे हैं, wear and tear excessive है, और replacement के नाम पे कुछ नहीं, खत्म, टाटा, bye bye. However, British rulers did not make any arrangements to replace the depreciated physical assets. As a result, British rulers had left a seriously depleted economy, worn out, amputated, handicapped, amputated economy. टूटी फूटी स्टेट में हमें छोड़ के गए थे. The Britishers' policy of divide and rule always promoted discrimination between various groups on the basis of religion, caste, language, and culture. As a result, on the eve of independence, country was geographically divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. Partition of the country virtually disrupted the economy due to problem of rehabilitation of large number of refugees from Pakistan and shortage of raw material for jute and cotton mills, as most of the cotton and jute growing areas they went to they went to East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. तो जूट वहां चला गया था, मेजर फर्टाइल लैंड भी पाकिस्तान के पास चली गई थी. What was the state